So today I am going to be showing you guys how to do this smoky dark eye with a little pop of green. I originally wanted to do something camo, which is what I kind of achieved, but I wanted the top to be more green. But you're going to see in the video, I just went with the flow. Want to achieve this look, keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my whole foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, and my eyebrows, just so I can shorten the video, because Lord knows how long this video would be if I didn't already do my whole face in like black and like green. I'm feeling inspired by my camo jacket that I'm gonna return to you. I'm literally gonna use it to take pictures and then return it. Sorry, not sorry. Anyways, okay, so let's get on with the video. I'm gonna be going in with my MOPRHE 39A palette and MOPRHE, I don't even know. It just says MOPRHE. Like, I don't know if you can see it. It says MOPRHE though. I don't know what. It's like a blending. Fluffy blending brush. This color right here. So I'm just gonna place it all over, kind of all over my lid. God, why is it being so weird? Like, let me blend in peace. This fucking lighting, I swear. Like, kind of bring it over to the top, because I'm gonna do like a black smoky eye, and I want this orange to be my transition color, because I'm gonna add green to it. I know you're thinking like, why green? Cause bitch, it's fucking the color of camo. Say you love me. And I'm not naked, guys, I swear. I have a fucking tube top. A tube top. Okay. Next, I feel like I should go in with like a brown. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the brown. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Bitch, you fucking me shut up. Maybe this color. I'm going in with the same brush, guys. Same brush. And just blend. I think I fucked it up. Guys, I fucked it up. I put too much. It's okay, it's okay. We'll fix it. We will fix it. A Luxie 249 brush. It looks like this. And we're gonna take this side. And we're gonna dip it in the green. This green. The lighter green. Okay? And we're gonna go on the top and just blend it out. Oh my god, this is not coming out how I want it to be. Girl. No. Okay, no. We're just gonna go in the crease again. We're gonna go in the crease again, guys. Okay, it's fine, because it's fine. Just blend it all out. Oh my god, okay. Okay, that looks better. But we're still going back in the crease, and we're just gonna blend these two out. So that like a straight edge like this. And I'm gonna go in with the black, the only black in the palette. Alright, I'm gonna use you guys as my I'm not using a mirror and I'm kind of scared. Oh, not bad, not bad. And then you kind of just want to blend it all together. I'm gonna clean up the sides with a concealer. I'm telling you guys, concealer is like probably my best friend. If it wasn't for concealer, my makeup would probably be really ugly. Like literally guys, concealer is such a fucking big help. Like I'm telling you. Especially for my eyebrows, I feel like it is such a big help. Do you see this? Like, look at this and look at this. Like, where would I be in life without concealer? Where? Using I don't know what, it doesn't even have a name, but I've had this brush for like ever. And I'm using the Pro Concealer in shade. What shade is this? Girl, I don't even know what shade this is. I don't know what it is because it still has like the tag in the back, and I do not feel like going through all of that right now. I will list it down below though. All my products will be listed in the description box. Let's clean this baby up. So I'm gonna go in with like a tapered kind of brush. It has like excess concealer on it. I mean not concealer, foundation powder. I'm just gonna go over wherever I put that concealer so that it does not crease. Pocket waterproof pencil eyeliner in the shade Pearl Black. Now I'm just gonna tightline my upper eye, probably my lower lash too. We're going to do, guys. ABH Subculture Pallete in the shade Electric. I know my palette's really ugly. Don't judge me. This was my favorite palette for like a long time. MIKASA Beauty E310 pencil brush. Oh my god, get your shit together, Angela. E310 brush. It looks like this. I use this for the bridge of my nose usually, for my highlight and my inner corners. So I'm gonna go in with Electric, and we are gonna in Super Black. care about mascara too much because I use lashes all the time and mascara. Guys, I'm really like thinking, what the hell am I gonna use for my lipstick color? Like, I'm shook. Before I put my lashes on, I like to mold it, like bend it. I mean, it's pretty much shaped to my eye, but you know, I just like to do that. I feel like it's easier for me to put them on when I do that. I don't use tweezers, I don't use nothing except my hand. I don't know, I try to use tweezers, but it's hard for me. So I just use my fingers. And like I said, like, you can barely see my eyeliner because my lashes cover it. I am living. Like, do you see what lashes do? Like, you go from like, what the fuck, to like, damn, bitch. Let me take you out. Alright, bitch. Alright. Oh, fucking right. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited. Like, I need a joke. Okay, now let's get on to the lips because a bitch is ready to take some pictures for Instagram. You know, flex on the gram. I'm gonna go in with this color. Oh, wrong bitch. Hold on, guys. I need to find it. Go in with this color. It's like a wrong one again. Guys, I found it. Literally, they all look the same. Well, like the packaging wise, they all look the same. But this color, I fucking love it so much. It's called Naughty by Nature by Too Faced. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play around, okay? That in sepia and with a MIKASA E220 brush. With the leftover concealer, and that is it. Oh wait, hello, I gotta do my hair and stuff. Oh, whatever. I'll be back. So guys, this is the complete look. I straightened my hair, so this is the complete look. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys stayed here and watched the whole thing, thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe while you're at it, because you know you're gonna have to sooner or later. And don't forget to comment. Let me hear your input about this look and if you did something similar to this look. Bye everyone.